tayo sa tinatawag na sustainable living or Earth Easy Living. Yan po isi-share ng Mom Style sa atin ni Mommy Jen.
I'm Mommy Jen. I'm a full-time mom and wife, and I'm also a mompreneur. I practice attachment and holistic parenting. This is my son, Mateo. He's going to turn 3 years old in February. By holistic parenting, I try to be as natural and as gentle as possible with the approaches and with the things that I give to my baby. Boring daw ako na mami sa ganun kasi puro kahoy yung mga pinibili ko. At hindi lang siya kahit anong wooden toys. I make sure na renewable yung kahoy na ginagamit dun sa mga wooden toys na binibili ko. So there's this one particular brand, ano siya, made of rubber wood. Yung rubber wood kasi, para siyang bamboo. Madaling i-plant at madaling mag-grow. So kahit na kumuha ka ng kumuha sa kanya, hindi makakalbo yung forest. Almost siguro mga 90% ng toys niya wooden. It's holistic because everything is centered on him. So whether environmental, it's physical, even spiritual, it's all in there. So that's the type of parenting that I practice. Gentle parenting is making sure that you respect the persona of the child. A very simple gentle parenting practice or exercise is minimizing the use of no in the household. Like I say, we only walk instead of don't run. I'm also very particular about conserving water. Meron kaming basin para hindi yung lahat galing sa gripo diretso, so para makaka-recycle kami ng water. Lahat ng appliances namin, when we don't use them, hindi lang siya naka-off, we also unplug them. So the only thing that's plugged here usually is, well, the refrigerator. So even our air conditioning, yun, naka-unplug siya lahat. Kasi it continues to eat up energy, right? Matipid ako sa gas. Alam mo yung gas namin dito, nagluluto tsaka nagbe-bake ako, 6 months yung tagal niya. Talaga pinaplano ko kung paano ko mag-cook tsaka paano ko ma-maximize yung use ng oven. Even little things like, I think that's part of sustainable lifestyle. Yung sanay kasi mga tao, magbubukas ng stove, di ba? Tapos wala naman laman yung pan. So, di ba, wala naman siyang use eh. So, dapat lagyan mo muna siya ng mantika or whatever. Tapos saka mo siya bubuksan para hindi sayang yung gas. Tapos yun, yung pagbukas-bukas ng ref, ano yan, parang if you get something, kunin mo na lahat. Tapos balik mo na lang sila sabay-sabay para hindi siya laging pinubuksan. Those little things. We turn off the lights. Walang lights na naka-on sa daytime. We maximize the natural light as far as you can during the day. One of the easiest ways to go green these days, kasi halos lahat ng tindahan nagbebenta ng mga reusable bags. So ako, marami na ako naipon over time. Iniiwan ko na to sa kotse pagkatapos namin gamitin yan. So ginagamit namin. Tapos meron akong isang maliit sa bag ko. Pero yun din, baka naman mawili kayo sa kakbil ng reusable bag, it violates the purpose of reusing. So how much lang you need, that's the only number of bags that you should actually buy. And then just bring them with you sa supermarket. Tapos kung pwede kayo bumili ng isa na parang medyo ganito, yung parang pwedeng mabasa. Kasi yung iba pag canvas, hindi siya pwedeng mabasa. Para dun sa mga frozen at saka sa mga refrigerated items na bibili. My friends and I decided to put up SESOU Nature Source. We have 2 branches now. We have one in Market and another in Trinoma, and we're going to open another one in Glorieta before the first quarter of 2010 ends. So we opened this store so that we can make living green every day easier for everybody. No? Yung parenting choice ko is really a choice. I don't impose it. Depends din on the lifestyle of the family, no? Kasi even me, I still experiment nung kasi Mateo is my first child. So, I do make mistakes. I just learn from them. And then I pick up new learnings. Yan. I read a lot, kaya I know about all these mga gentle parenting, mga attachment parenting. Parang I pick out the ones that I think will work for our family. And then, yun. So that's why I call it, my brand of parenting is holistic parenting. So hindi siya isang school of thought lang pagdating sa parenting. So iba't ibang pinanggalingan. Tapos yun. And then that's the parenting that happens in this household.